What's up, Restoration Church? My name's Bryce. I'm the local lead here at our location in Winthrop, and I am so excited about this brand new sermon series that we're going to be starting on Sunday, taking us through the Psalms. I love the Psalms because it's where God gives us permission to express our deepest emotions to Him. You have people screaming at God in anger. You have people crying out in sorrow, and you have people dancing with unbridled joy, and everything in between, all written within this great book. So I hope you're as excited as I am. Each week with this series, I'm going to be taking some time to sing through the psalm that we're going to be looking at for that Sunday. And this week we're starting with a great one. It's one that I'm sure you're familiar with in Psalm 23. So if you know this one, please sing it with me, and let's just worship our God together. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. In green pastures He makes me lie down. He restores my soul and leads me on for His name, for His great name. Surely goodness, surely mercy, right beside me all my days, and I will dwell in your house forever, and bless your holy name. Table right before me, in the presence of my enemies. Though the arrow flies and the terror of the night is at my door, I'll trust you, Lord. Surely goodness, surely mercy, right beside me all my days, and I will dwell in your house forever, and bless your holy name. Shadow of death, I will fear no evil, and even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, you are on my side. And even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. And even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, you are on my side. Surely goodness, surely mercy, right beside me all my days, and I will dwell in your house forever, and bless your holy